going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Today we're going to head to Emerald Park for the Fired Up Grill Show and Shine and see what kind of awesome cars we got going on out there. It's a pretty affluent area, a lot of rich houses and well-to-do, a lot of money in the area, so we should see some pretty cool things. Also, this will be probably the last clip you ever see me filming with my S21, as I decided to finally, after a year of it sitting in the box, break out my S23 so we could maybe get some better video quality for you guys as well. With that being said, as soon as the next clip you see will be on the S23. Tell me guys if you guys notice the difference. I'd love to hear it. Anyways, I'll see you there. Alright folks, we are here in White City, Emerald Park for the Fired Up Grill car show. It looks pretty big. We got some cool stuff in the parking lot too. Let me just show you guys here. So, look at this. So, and yes, my girlfriend is shy, but she'll probably see her on film every now and then. So, anyways, let's get up there and see what we can find. More cars, parking lot shots here. We got like a Dodge Dart Swinger. And then we got some more stuff over here. So, all right, let's go see what we got going on here. Got some nice fire trucks starting off with. Got an officer walking around. Got Ma bringing up the rear. Got both girls with me today as well. So, Miata. So, Camaro. So, let's check out some of these fire trucks. Guys, slow down, please. Thank you. It's been a while, I guess, since they've been filming with me. So, nice. All right, now let's over here. They got the fire hall and all their bouncy house and stuff. We got, the heck would that be, a Torino sitting right there? It looks like. So 73 Torino. So, and over here, we'll start off. So this huge bush truck. This thing is absolutely insane. This camera is awesome. Like, so much clearer, so much better. Where do we want to start? This way? Work our way around? Okay. I guess I'm following me, so some nice stuff over here. This is probably, yeah. This is probably where we'll end, is this way. So we'll start over here. And it is hot out today. So, early. Lots and lots of cars today. Lots and lots of people. So this is nice. What do you think so far, sweetie? Are you hot? It's too hot? Yeah. This is nice. Okay. There's a lot of people. This is cool. This is really cool. Convertible. I make many of them. Mustang. Cadillacs. A lot of stuff here today. A lot of people. There's more stuff over through here too. So, nice OBS. And over here, got a Camaro and a Bug.
That truck now is cleaning. You're so gone.
So, right. What are you guys laughing at? Oh, Haley's laughing, so I was wondering what she was laughing at. So, Cuda.
Yeah, see you later.
And, ooh, nice old truck. Mid 40s. 46, yeah. I don't know if it looks like a 46 Chev, but it's a GMC. Okay. Sorry, sweetie, I got you when I was swinging around. And let's check it over this side. So. Lots of people today. Tomorrow we're out in Sukannon, so Oh, look at this. That is awesome. So, sweet, sweet. Valiant. General Lee. This is nice. General Lee. Oh, Mom ran into Roanne, so she's catching up. So my sister's growing up best friend was the owner of that red Mustang, so yeah, this is nice. That is nice. And right beside it, it's like a 56. Yep, 56 Chev. That is cool. I should do this with the Tahoe for the overflow. So, a Buick. Royal Knight. I think we've seen this before at Majestics. Ooh, I like this. I like the green. Maybe like this camera will pick it up. But there's a lot of. That is nice. And I decided we got another one. So this one's got a little tiny blower, but still. Oh, this is a nice. Two favorite colors, orange and green. So, all right, now let's swing around and check out this Mustang. Pardon? Yeah, there's puppies. So, and then tomorrow, don't forget we're in Sioux Canyon. So, oh. All right. Yeah, it's quite the turnout today. Quite the turnout. This is a nice car. Some hot rods. That is cool. Alright, here we go. Solstice. Whew. Yeah, there's a lot of people here today, folks, so if I don't be talking much, it's just because there's a lot of people. And it still gives me anxiety, so. Nice little Ford. Almost looks like a 46 Ford, but I'd say it's more probably earlier. I'll probably say on the license plate. 47, so that was close.
How you doing?
32. Me and my dad had a 28 Model A, kind of like this. Kind of like this. I miss that. That would have been cool to see that thing finished, but well, never got to that point. So 28 Chev. Oh, damn. Gorgeous. Right.
In some cases, they've done things like some of their early production cars.
This is nice
Come
too.
back in and Kirkham has changed something. They've improved the suspension.
Huh, the Citroen's here. This is one of my favorite cars ever. It really is. I love these things. And look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh. Yeah, beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Hot rod in every sense of the term.
It's going back. Get the fenders redone.
Is it? Nice.
Put purple glaze in it, but not enough, so I'm getting them to redo it again.
More pearl? Yeah, oh, that'll look just.
The car was all purple before, right?
I think I've seen this thing at Majestics like 20 years ago.
I don't know, but
So it's the grill. I remember the grill.
yeah, there's a few around
So-
right
Oh,
now. Yeah, I bought this car in 07 and then I sold it to my friend in 2011
Yeah.
in Marimba, Alberta.
okay.
And then I bought a 28 Ford Model A, and then I traded that for a 4-slide Cedar Creek. And then I traded a Cedar Creek for my car.
Nice.
Some big guy went and sat on one of the fenders. The fenders were metal before.
Yeah.
Bust everything out of it.
I will take it.
And it was going to cost me $150 an hour to pound them out. So
Yeah.
I put fiberglass on.
Yeah, fiberglass works.
It works.
Yeah. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the purple and the white. Oh, an Uga horn down at the bottom. Yeah, me and my dad had a 28 Model A at one time, and
Yeah, me too.
oh, I love that thing.
Yeah, yeah. Yours is convertible, right?
Oh no, ours was a Tudor, like a 4-door, or not a 4-door, but the long bugger. Yeah. Oh. Pay attention to detail. That's awesome.
Heartbeat to the flat line.
Yeah. That's awesome. Gorgeous car. Purple haze. All right. Now let's swing over. Let's check out this thing. Another nice old truck.
Pretty comfortable.
That's nice. This is sweet. This just screams mafia right here. Look at that. Oops. Depth perception's a little off right now. But look at that. Look at that dash. Holy jeez. That is nice. Oh, sorry. I got a nice little Ford bullnose. These are my favorite kind of Ford trucks. Right here. These are my favorites. And I'm not really a Ford truck guy, but we got a, what is this, a Riv? Yeah. Riviera. Pardon? It's got 2 gas tanks, Haley, because it's got a side tank. It's got front and rear tanks for extra driving, fuel mileage, or fuel. So, yeah, this is nice too. No, you don't see too many convertible Rivs from the 80s.
One is 32.
One of 32.
Made for Canada.
That is a gorgeous car. Must ride like a Cadillac too.
I'd rather drive this one with my new half. By far.
Oh yeah.
Handles better, rides nicer.
Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we got a nice little hot rod. So, Chevy. Definitely Chev. Yeah, look at that dash. Oh, I just love how they used to do stuff back in the day. And all that chrome. Awesome. Oh, we got a Camaro rolling in. So we got a Cadillac here. So this thing we see quite often. It's got that. I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but the other one really didn't want to. But it's got amazing detail in the metalwork. Absolutely awesome. Now we're getting into the meat of the potatoes. We got a 70 Chevelle SS 454 car. Let's see if we can get in and get a tag on her, because these greens they're real rare. So that's nice.
They were indestructible too.
Another old. This is nice too. Look at that interior. Oh, sure don't make them like this anymore. It's like a 50 Ford, I think it is. '51 Meteor. That was close. Won an award, Majestics, this 2 years ago. So very nice car. We got T-Birds. These are gorgeous as well. They look like, the other ones look like catfish. They look awesome. I love them. And then we got a real nice AMX or AMC. I guess this would be an AMX Javelin. Yeah, it's a Javelin. My dad also had one of these growing up. Had crushed velvet interior, the whole 9. So beautiful car. Beautiful car. I think Dad's was purple, wasn't it, Mom? I think Dad's Javelin was purple, wasn't it? So we have nice Mach 1. Oh no, it's not a Mach 1. C10. Yes. For gorgeous trucks. Mobile F88. Is it? It is too. Oh, it's an F85. So, that is nice. Oh. Alright. 65 Pontiac. Le Mans. Oh, sorry, sweetie. And Fairlane. This is gorgeous. Then we get into a dream car area right here. This right here is my dream car. One of them. Yeah, and it's got the 6-speed. Oh, yep, the Hurst shifter and shit. Yep, this is definitely a dream car. So, it looks like a LeBaron convertible.
I got a generally BMX bike collection.
Nice Camaro.
Actually, yeah, that day I bought my fourth one.
Automatic. That's a nice car. Awesome. Then we can end the show off with a square body. Beautiful. All right. There. And then one last shot of the bush truck. Because that thing is fucking mean. So, all right. All right, folks. I think that's going to probably do it now. We got a lot of running around to do and a bunch of stuff to do. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow in Sukanen. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Until next time, love you guys. Take care of yourselves. And God bless. Also, try to stay warm. Try to stay cool. It is like super warm out.